Alright everyone, so today's project is going to be a Kiridashi style knife. Looks pretty good, so let's go ahead and get to it. So here your first step is to forge out the blade and the tang to the desired shape. Next, we're going to take this over to the grinder and we're going to clean up the profile and the edges. Just remember, one side needs to be very flat as this is a woodworking tool, and then the other side will have your bevel. After you quench the material, go ahead and pop it in the oven at 420 for 2 cycles of 1 hour, letting it cool in between. Here you see me using a fast setting epoxy to hold everything together in addition to the Corby bolts for the handle. Once the epoxy is hardened, you're going to want to go ahead and sand everything down, make everything flat, and get it to its final shape. And then we're going to add some linseed oil. This beautiful little Kiridashi came out great. I really enjoy this one. If you have a project you want to see me do, go ahead and leave it down in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.